Hello guys, welcome to this new session on career series. In this video today we are going to talk about how to master the skills of design using CATIA V5 or NX. As you all know, CATIA and NX, these are the two softwares, CAD softwares that are majorly used by automotive industry. Apart from automotive industry, these are used by home appliances industry, aviation industry, shipping industry. So the CATIA and NX has a wide application. Okay, so if you have an ambition to start your career as a design engineer in any of this industry, maybe automotive industry, aviation industry, home appliances industry, it is very important that you master the skills of design. So in this session we will talk more about how we can master the skills. Okay, so the first thing, we have divided the syllabus into 4 segments. One is the basic, that is basic CATIA or basic NX. Second is advanced CATIA or advanced NX. Third is the domain, and fourth is the projects. Now what is a basic CATIA or basic NX? What does it involve? It includes topics like sketcher, part design, assembly and drafting. Now how to master this? See, it is very simple. You need to do sufficient assignments. You need to do different levels of assignments. If you do sufficient assignments, it is very easy to master the softwares. So to master the sketch, you need to do at least 30 assignments of different levels. 10 can be simple, 10 can be moderate, and 10 can be complex. So total you need to do at least 30 assignments. Okay. Similarly, to master the part design, do at least 50 assignments. To master assembly, do at least 5 assignments, but make it sure each assembly has 10 to 15 parts in it. Okay. Followed by drafting, do at least 40 assignments, including GD&T. It is very important to learn GD&T before you learn drafting, because drawings without GD&T is of no use. So make it sure you learn GD&T. Okay. Now this will take at least 6 weeks to master. So all the assignments what I told you right now, the basics of CATIA or basics of NX will take at least 6 weeks to learn if you practice for at least 5 to 6 hours per day. Okay. Learning basics is not just a 15 days task. It takes little time. Okay, so once you master the basics, it's time for you to learn advanced CATIA or advanced NX. Now it includes a lot of topics like non-parametrics to parametrics. It is also called as a reverse engineering, followed by concept design, Boolean operation, power copy, generative shape design, master section, B-side feature design, close volume. So there are a lot of topics that you need to learn and master. Okay, so how you are going to master it? See, to master the advanced CATIA or advanced NX, it is very important that you learn domain you are going to master along with the advanced topic. Okay, for example, start learning non-parametrics to parametrics. Do at least 40 assignments in non-parametrics to parametrics. Followed by part design with Boolean operation. Do at least 20 assignments. Followed by concept design. Now what is concept design? When you have to design any product from scratch, you need to start with the concept. So do at least 2 concept design, okay, from scratch. It should be followed by learning sheet metal domain. Okay, you need to learn all the topics in the sheet metal domain. Okay, and followed by a project. If you take up a project of BIW or seating systems, that is going to be a great advantage. BIW is a bit complex, so preferably go for learning seating system design. Okay, so all these topics will take at least 1.5 months for you to master it. Okay, so learning domains along with the advanced topic is not just a 2 days work. It takes little time. So you spend sufficient time, do sufficient assignments, definitely you will master all the skills. Okay, now this should be followed by learning surfacing workbench. So learning generative shape design, do at least 40 assignments. Learning close volume, do at least 30 assignments. Learning a B-side feature, do at least 30 assignments. Okay, you can increase the number of assignments, but don't reduce the number of assignments. Okay, now this should be followed by a plastic domain. You should learn plastic domain in detail. So it includes, plastic domain includes a lot of topics. We will discuss in some other videos what is a plastic domain, but you need to learn plastic domain. And this entire plastic domain with advanced topic is going to take at least 2.5 months to practice, to master, if you practice for 6 hours per day. So once this is completed, you will be master in basics, advanced with plastic domains, advanced with sheet metal domain. Now you need to implement all this knowledge in projects. So take up at least 2 projects, one of sheet metal and one of plastics. For sheet metal, you can go for a sitting system. Okay, and for plastics, you have an option of going for door trim, instrumental panel, or console. If you follow this, definitely you are going to gain the skills. You are going to master the skills of design in CATIA or NX. Okay, as I told you, learning CATIA or NX and mastering, it will take little time. It is a continuous learning process. So spend at least 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours if you can manage. Do a lot of practice, do a lot of assignments. Prefer to do assignments from industry. Try to get assignments from industry. Okay, or join an institute which is having their own company, so you get the real-time assignments. Okay, so guys, if you are really interested to make your career in design, okay, we have certain training programs offered at our institute. These training programs are all on real-time projects. So the training programs is for around 6 months, which are again affiliated by engineering colleges, well-known engineering colleges. We'll give more description about our training program in the description. Okay, our training programs are with real-time projects. You learn the real-time work and you become eligible, employable, and you get 100% placements. Okay, for more details, visit our website and contact on the number given in the description. So guys, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.